Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to learn how to classify triangles based on their angles. We will look at acute, right, and obtuse triangles. There are actually two main ways to classify, or name, a triangle. We can look at the length of its sides, or we can look at the size of its angles. In this video, we are focusing strictly on the angles. Before we begin, let's quickly review the three types of angles. An acute angle is small, measuring less than 90 degrees. A right angle is exactly 90 degrees, like the corner of a square. And an obtuse angle is large, measuring greater than 90 degrees. First up is the acute triangle. A triangle is acute only if all three of its angles are acute. That means every single angle inside the triangle must measure less than 90 degrees. Next, we have the right triangle. This one is easy to spot because it has exactly one right angle. You will often see a small square symbol in the corner to show it is 90 degrees. The other two angles are always acute. Then we have the obtuse triangle. This triangle has exactly one obtuse angle, which is greater than 90 degrees. Like the right triangle, the other two angles must be acute. You might wonder, can a triangle have two right angles or two obtuse angles? The answer is no. Since the sum of all angles in a triangle must equal 180 degrees, having two 90-degree angles would already take up the entire sum, leaving 0 degrees for the third angle, which is impossible. There is a special case called an equiangular triangle. This is a specific type of acute triangle where all three angles are exactly equal. Since 180 divided by 3 is 60, each angle measures exactly 60 degrees. Let's summarize. If all three angles are less than 90, it is acute. If it has one 90-degree angle, it is right. And if it has one angle greater than 90, it is obtuse. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you identify triangles by their angles. Keep practicing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.